Hold on. Seems like you are trying a lot to clean some dust and spot on your laminate floor, but it doesn't work. If you are looking for tips and tricks to clean your waterproof laminate floors thoroughly, follow our practical guide. With our step-by-step tutorial, you can make cleaning more accessible and practical. Step-by-step guide to clean waterproof laminate flooring. When cleaning waterproof flooring, do not scrub it vigorously, because complex cleaning tools might scratch or damage the waterproof coating. Water resistance technology makes the laminate flooring look like natural hardwood that won't only beat the daily pills and splashes but also glow brightly. So, let's move on to each step. Sweep the floor. First, sweep away all the dry dirt and pet hair. This will allow you to minimize the amount of water needed for mopping. Choose a flared broom with soft bristles, a microfiber dry mop, or a vacuum cleaner. These all give soft cleaning to your floor that won't cause any scratches. Choose a low-setting vacuum with a soft attachment if you prefer to go with vacuuming. But must avoid using rotating beater bars and rollers intended for floors. Next, dampen a soft cloth and wipe away any hardened spills on the floor. The best way to avoid staining the floor is to do this regularly once you see spills. If you find any tough stains that won't go with soft cleaning, then cover them with an ice pack for a few minutes and then carefully rub them. Mix a cleaning solution. Let's turn to the next step, mixing a cleaning solution. To make your floor surface shine-filled, we suggest you should go with a DIY laminate flooring cleaning solution. That is popular because it seems much easier to prepare with a natural component. Two solutions are safe for laminate flooring. An equal part of rubbing alcohol and water, plus adding white vinegar, would be a good choice. 1 teaspoon of dish soap and drops of baby shampoo in the water at every shift of cleaning. Add an equal quantity of rubbing alcohol, white vinegar and water. Mop the floor. You can use a regular mop for waterproof floor cleaning. But if you want to make your cleaning more comfortable, spray mop. The mop spritz away layers of cleaner, leaving no mess on the floor, and are suitable for many floors. If you want deep cleaning, use a steam mop or warm water with a mixed solution which we already discussed. Dry the floor. It would be best if you deal with wet laminate floors immediately, as they are designed to withstand surface moisture. A leaky seam can quickly cause damage to the locking system. There's also the possibility that fluids in the center of the planks could soak into the wood if left for a long time. You can remove any traces of wetness after mopping by using either a dry mop or a microfiber cloth. Laminate floor cleaning with great comfort isn't a big deal. You can enhance the beauty of your entire decoration with professionally designed laminate flooring, thus creating a stunning appearance in your home. Now you can clean all the floors in your place quickly. The cleaning and sweeping process won't take your hard work. It's not as difficult as you think. The best way to get a clean laminate floor is to use all these fantastic and smart methods. You will now have a mirror-like reflection in your home. With a clean environment at home, you can enjoy a healthy lifestyle.